My name is Shalu Prasad and I'm from Barrie, Ontario. So my thoughts on the whole life coaching course was that it's amazing. It really helps you to sort of journey within yourself and get to find out who and what you truly are. Through life, we take a lot of things that we experience and bury them deep within ourselves. And through this certification, I really got to find out and get to know myself wholly and completely, and to then love myself totally and unconditionally. And it's an amazing feeling. So I found out about Doc of Detox and Dr. Wolfe because both my parents are struggling with cancer, and I was looking for a natural way to, be able to bring them some healing. And so I think it was on Facebook that his feeds started showing up. And once I started following him, I resonated very highly with everything that he was saying. And I just had to, get to learn more from him. So for the changes that I've noticed within myself, it's only been, a few days since we've been here, and I've started, changing the way that I eat, or what I drink, and I can already see the changes within my body in just 8 or 9 days. Also, the thoughts that we feed ourselves, throughout the day. How do we think about ourselves? How do we talk to ourselves? It's been life-changing for sure. I feel amazing. I love myself totally, and every day is an exciting journey to begin and see what the day brings, instead of stress and fear and anxiety. So it's truly very enlightening. So how I would describe Dr. Wolfe, Sage, Jason, the whole team, they're amazing, very professional, but very down to earth. They very relatable. Everyone is so warm and welcoming, very friendly, and there's no hesitation. Like if you don't understand something, or if you have a question about something, that they're there to help. They're all very helpful. It truly is an amazing team, and it inspires me to go back and sort of take everything I've learned from them and sort of, put it into, I own a restaurant, so to sort of bring my team up to that level. I mean, they're great people, but just how well they all work together, it's really inspiring. So now that I've taken this course, the future looks so bright. It really makes me, I'm excited to get back and start practicing everything that I've learned, start sharing the knowledge that I've gained, and, helping and healing people. The sky's the limit. Like, it's very exciting. So for anyone watching this video that might be on the fence of whether they should take the course or not, I would encourage you to get off the fence and just do it. Even just the whole life coaching part of it is so liberating and so freeing. It has been for my soul and for myself, that if I had learned nothing else, that alone would be worth anything else. But learning the non-surgical part, that's just an added bonus.